In this video, I'm going to show you another example where the question asks us to simplify an expression and we are asked to give our answers in the form of exponential or radical. Okay, in order to answer this question, we have to know a few formulas here. The first one is a to the power m times a to the power n. So when the base is the same, when we times the power we add. So we will get a to the power m plus n. Okay. So the second formula is a to the power m, then to the power n. So power and power we times. So we will get a m times n. Okay. So the next formula which is useful for this question is a to the power m over n. So if the power is a fraction, remember the denominator n will become the root, okay? And the power will remain as power, okay? Okay, let's see how to solve this question, alright? So we are given a to the power 3 over 2, b to the power 1 over 3, bracket, root 3 or cube root of a to the power 3 over 4 times b to the power 2. So when we get this type of question, always remember, answer or simplify the one in the bracket first. Okay, so the one outside the bracket we just ignore, we just copy again. Alright, copy back. Alright, let's solve whatever in the bracket. So the first step is to change the cube root to 1 over 3. Remember, root, when we convert back to exponential, it will become denominator. Alright, power fraction, but it will become a denominator. So therefore, the cube root belongs to a and b. So we will split this cube root for a and b. So we will get a to the power 3 over 4. So we write as a to the power 3 over 4. To the power of 1 over 3, which is the cube root. And the cube root also belongs to b to the power 2 or p square. So we copy b square and then bracket to the power 1 over 3. Okay. So next step is to simplify whatever in the bracket. So the one outside the bracket, a to the power 3 over 2 times b to the power 1 over 3. So we will copy again. Okay. So let's settle this first. A to the power 3 over 4 to the power 1 over 3. So when we have power and then power again, so what we do is we multiply the power. So when we multiply 3 over 4 and 1 over 3, so 3 and 3 we can cancel. So we will get 1 over 4. So we write as a to the power 1 over 4 here. Okay. So for the second part, b to the power 2 to the power 1 over 3. So power and power we times. So 2 times 1 we will get 2 over 3. Okay. So we have simplified the one in the bracket. So the next step is we have to take a times a. Alright. A to the power 3 over 2 times a to the power 1 over 4, and then b to the power 1 over 3 times with b to the power 2 over 3. Remember the formula? When we times, if the base are the same, then the power we add. Okay. So next step will be, we will take a, write down a first. So we have 3 over 2. Remember, when we times, we add the power. So we have 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay. And then for b to the power 1 over 3 times b to the power 2 over 3. So b times b, the power we add. So we take 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So from here, when we simplify, so 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So we change 3 over 2 to 6 over 4. Okay, so 3 over 2 is actually equals to 6 over 4. So 6 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will give us 7 over 4 for this one. And then for b, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 will give us 3 over 3 or b to the power 1. So we have a to the power 7 over 4 times b to the power of 1. So this is the one. A to the power 6 over 4 plus 1 over 4 and then times b 3 to the power 3 over 3. When we simplify, we should get 7 over 4, and then 3 over 3 equals to b to the power 1. So now let's solve the question. So the question say convert this answer in exponential form. So in exponential form, alright, so the answer will be a to the power 7 over 4. We just copy again, and then b to the power 1 is b. So this is the answer in exponential form. And then in radical form, so radical means we have to change this to root. Alright, so remember, when the power is a fraction, the denominator here will become the root. Alright, so we shall get a root 4 bracket to the power 7 times b. So this is the answer in radical form.